In this tutorial, you will learn how to import the next payment date and status for hundreds of WooCommerce subscriptions from Excel or Google Sheets. This is really useful when you want to edit your subscriptions offline and then apply the changes in a few minutes. This way, you don't have to edit all the subscriptions by opening them one by one. We'll do it using WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet. With this plugin, you can generate an intuitive spreadsheet to view and edit all your subscriptions inside WordPress. You can apply advanced search filters and edit thousands of fields quickly. In addition, you can export and import subscriptions using CSV files. You need a CSV file containing the following columns: ID, title, next payment date, and status. Once you've edited the next payment dates and status for all your subscriptions, you need to open the import tool. Then, select the CSV file from your computer and click Next. After that, click Import all the columns. You need to configure the import. Finally, click Import. This is how the information will look imported into the spreadsheet. With these simple steps, you'll have edited the next payment date and status for hundreds of WooCommerce subscriptions. You can download the plugin using the link in the description of this video. Also, you can visit our website to get free live chat support and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.